Yeah, I've got the warrant of arrest for them. No, you know you didn't go back to court also.
Don't discuss business in the middle.
Let's go.
No. I'll tell you. It cannot happen.
Let's do this, guys. You don't have to fight. You don't have to. No, listen, you don't have to. Because let me tell you. We're not here to negotiate.
You are asking for what?
I've got the warrant of your arrest.
For what?
Really?
For what?
You were supposed to go to court in Hillbrook. You didn't go to court. It's a warrant of arrest was issued.
How can you give information about court?
I'm the investigating officer.
No. Which case against him?
That's a different case. It's not my responsibility to give you a court date. It's not my responsibility.
Did you speak to my lawyer?
About what?
Did you speak to
About what?
Or no? Where?
It's not my responsibility to give you a court date.
Where? For what reason? Come.
Hello guys and welcome to Daily Updates. Unfortunately, this is a breaking story. It seems like the Senzo Meyiwa case is taking too many turns. We were waiting for the team to come back, the defense team to come back and continue with cross-examination. But what appears now is that Advocate Teffo has been arrested. He is being arrested in relation to a different case where he was supposed to appear in court and unfortunately he did not appear. Now, the issue is that upon arrival in court after lunch, the team of Advocate Teffo came and addressed the court to say that we are actually being intimidated. There are death threats, there are intimidations, we are receiving calls. Even on Freedom Day, we received many calls, about 5 calls every day we receive them. And at lunch, we received a report of saying that they want to arrest Advocate Teffo. Now, this was a serious matter. Many thought they're probably just pulling the judge's legs to buy some time. But unfortunately, the scenes of Advocate Teffo being arrested, they've already been published. Now, it's a different ball game and it's an issue now to the ongoing case because as much as Teffo was pushing with whatever narrative he was pushing with, it comes out that now he's being arrested, and it was evident when he came back from the lunch, he was someone who changed a tone. He was shook, and you could see that there's something wrong, and now it appears that he's definitely being arrested. He was questioned before being taken into a van that, why are you being arrested? And Teffo says, I don't know why they're arresting me now because this was a matter of January. Now they're coming to me and arresting me. It seems like he knows exactly what they're arresting him for. But I want you guys to listen to the information and to listen to what the team of Advocate Teffo said in relation to intimidations and call. Please listen to this.
All right, before I continue or I finalize my cross-examination, Your Lordship, my learned colleague, my attorney, need to address this court. Something very urgent, very dangerous to the safety of the witnesses of the defense, 1 to 4, and the defense themselves. The advocate's life is at stake here. The attorney's life is at stake here.
Are we not rounding up this witness? Does this witness have to stay for that?
No, this is very important to be addressed first before I finish.
By this witness?
Yeah, witness has to be there. Then my attorney address the court.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
My Lord, sorry to interrupt. I really apologize. The witness, as the state mentioned, he can be recalled anytime. The problem here, since the watching brief was removed from this matter, I received funny calls. I received threat Your Worship, hence,
That can
my Lord,
that can come once we excuse this witness.
we are not done with the witness because there's other questions we want to prepare to ask the witness. Since the court and since the state objected to this question, we need to rephrase this question in a correct manner. However, this cannot wait. It's very urgent.
Advocate Baloy, they want to address about the safety of witnesses. They want to do it now. Why is this witnesses?
Well, I suppose if there was any threat imminent or impending, the IO would have brought that to our attention, and they haven't done so as yet, my Lord. I've got no idea what my learned friends here are referring to or what they want to do, my Lord.
My Lord, the investigating officer won't know about this because he's an investigating officer, he's a witness to the state. Can you imagine while you are at home, someone calls you, asks you if you know a particular acting judge. Then if you ask that person, why you ask me this question? Then he drops the phone. The next thing he calls again, then I can hear paperwork on the table, doesn't say anything. In one day, I'll receive 5 calls. Today, during lunch, we had a tip that they want to arrest my advocate, my Lord. That's intimidation tactics. And my Lord, we are not going to proceed today. Since the court might have been aware that after lunch, it seems as if my advocate is being disturbed. My Lord, he is not in a good mind.
As per the reports, unfortunately, it's true. He's been arrested. And to say intimidations, yes, they might be there. But it seems like Advocate Teffo knows about this case as much as it's been reported that he failed to appear in court. So he also knows when he said it's a matter of January. And it's such a great timing, eh? The case is continuing and they decided to come and arrest him. Now, it leaves many questions to most of us that what really happened when Senzo left this world? What really happened? What is the timing? Like, the timing is just so perfect that he was just starting with his cross-examination and they said, well, you gotta attack now. And they have attacked. The good advocate, Teffo, he was left shaking. He is not the same guy you could see with confidence. Now it seems like someone who just saw a lion. Unfortunately, he's been arrested and hopefully the matter can be cleared because now it brings a lot of problems to the Senzo Meyiwa case. And to be honest, there will be many points of view in terms of what really happened, who is trying to hide what, because from the start, this case was all about problems after problems. No one could even find that why can't they conclude this small case. It took a long time for them to go to trial. Now they went to trial, problems after problems, and unfortunately, Mr. Teffo has been arrested. It brings a headache to one because now there will be a lot of versions. One would say this and this because at the end of the day, we want justice for Senzo. And as much as they are not finding justice, it's such an embarrassment to the legal system. Now the judge, the lawyer's busy there grilling someone. Next thing, he's in handcuffs. I mean, we only see these things in the movies. Now South Africa is probably one of the movies. Don't know when they are going to be releasing it, but this is a movie. Anyway, hopefully the case gets resolved and we continues because what matters here is not Advocate Teffo. What matters here is Senzo was killed and the family needs justice. The rest, they can be looked at on the other side, but we need to focus and continue with the Senzo Meyiwa trial. The fact that problems after problems are coming, it says a lot that there's actually someone who's being hidden. And it's funny enough, the advocate Teffo team is saying that the problem started when the watching brief, the Kelly Khumalo lawyer was told to excuse herself from the watching brief. Now, what is really going on? Guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully we find out the truth at the end of the day and Senzo finally rest. Please subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Cheers.